Hello everyone, good day, mabuhay. I am Christian James D. Jumawas from BSHM2 Section 1. So now I make a short interview presentation about Jose Rizal, the national hero of the Philippines. And so we have three questions about Jose Rizal. First is, who is Jose Rizal? And second, why he was shot to death? And the last, why he is our national hero. And so that's and my interview, my second brother. So who is Jose Rizal?
Who is Jose Rizal? Jose Rizal was a Filipino nationalist, writer, and reformist who is considered the national hero of the Philippines. He used his writings, especially Noli Me Tangere and El Filibusterismo, to expose the abuse of Spanish rule and inspire Filipino to seek freedom. He was executed in 1896, and his death strengthened the Philippines movement for independence.
And why he was shot to death?
And why he was shot to death? Jose Rizal was shot to death because of the Spanish colonial government accused him of rebellion, sedition, and conspiracy against Spain. His writing inspired Filipinos to resist Spanish rule, and the authorities saw him as a threat. He was accused by firing squad on December 30, 1896 in Bagumbayan. For now, it's called na Luneta Park.
Why he is our national hero?
Why he is our national hero? Uh, because he is peacefully and fought for freedom through his writings and ideas.
So that's it. Thank you for watching.